Have you ever felt your chest tighten, your heart beat fast, and your thoughts spin out of control? That's anxiety. And when it hits, it can feel scary. But here's something powerful: your breath. Yes, the way you breathe can calm your mind and body almost instantly. In this video, I'll guide you through 5 simple breathing exercises that anyone can do. These exercises are safe, easy, and take only a few minutes. So stay with me until the end, and by the time we finish, you'll already feel more relaxed. 1. Deep belly breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing. Most of us breathe shallowly into our chest, especially when anxious. This makes us feel tense. Belly breathing is different. It helps us breathe deeply into the stomach and sends a message of calm to the brain. How to do it? Sit or lie down comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Inhale slowly through your nose. Let your belly rise, but keep your chest still. Exhale gently through your mouth. Feel your belly fall. Repeat for 1 to 2 minutes. This exercise lowers your heart rate and gives your body a sense of safety. 2. Box breathing. Foursquare breathing. Box breathing is often used by athletes, soldiers, and even people in high-stress jobs because it brings quick focus and calm. How to do it? Imagine drawing a box in your mind. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds. Hold again for 4 seconds. Repeat the cycle for 3 to 4 rounds. This technique balances oxygen in your body and brings control back when you feel overwhelmed. 3. 4-7-8 breathing technique. This method is known as the relaxing breath. It slows down your nervous system and can even help with sleep. How to do it? Sit in a comfortable position. Inhale quietly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly and fully through your mouth for 8 seconds. Do this for 4 cycles. At first, you might feel a little lightheaded. That's normal. With practice, this technique becomes a powerful tool against anxiety. 4. Alternate nostril breathing. Nadi Shodhana. This is a traditional breathing exercise from yoga. It balances both sides of the brain and brings deep relaxation. How to do it? How to do it? Sit with your back straight. Place your right thumb on your right nostril and close it. Inhale slowly through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your finger, open the right, and exhale. Now inhale through the right nostril. Close it, and exhale through the left. Repeat this cycle for 5 rounds. This practice helps calm racing thoughts and creates inner balance. Guide you through. 5. Pursed lip breathing. This simple method is great if you feel short of breath or panic. It helps slow your breathing and keeps airways open. How to do it? Inhale slowly through your nose for 2 seconds. Purse your lips, as if you're going to whistle. Exhale gently through your lips for 4 seconds. Repeat for 1 to 2 minutes. This technique makes each breath more effective and helps you feel in control again. So, those are 5 breathing exercises for anxiety relief. 1. Deep. 2. Box breathing. For 4. 4. Alternate nostril breathing. 5. Pursed lip breathing. Remember, anxiety can make us feel powerless. But your breath is always with you. It's free, simple, and available anytime you need it. Even practicing one of these techniques for a few minutes can make a big difference. The more you practice, the stronger your ability to stay calm becomes. Try doing one of these exercises every day, even when you're not anxious, so your body learns how to relax naturally. If you found this video helpful, please share it with someone who struggles with anxiety. And let me know in the comments, which breathing exercise did you enjoy the most? Take a deep breath, exhale slowly, and remember, you are in control, one breath at a time.